Hello sir. My name is Aditya. And my teammates are Supriya and Karishma. Welcome to the concept video for the efficient solar panel cleaning robot. In just 2 minutes, we will explore the technology behind it and some ideas. Solar panel has a huge effect on our world, and solar panel needs to be cleaned in every 3 days. Lots of technology for cleaning of solar panels. But our idea is to design a smart solar cleaner. It's clean the panel automatically, like this. We need these components: Arduino, L293D motor driver board, 100 RPM motor, a water pump, and some sensor. Our aim is to develop an efficient solution for optimizing the cleaning of solar panels. Thank you for listening our concept. Hope you liked it.